Hey, what's up everybody? This video is a drone flyover our new lot. The boundaries of the lot are the driveway on the left, pretty much to the end of the screen on the right. Our drone's up at about 200 feet and flying from the road over the lot. So all those trees in the center are Christmas berry trees. We're probably going to chop a lot of those down. There's a little shack that's on the property with a water tank and a lanai deck. The deck's pretty beat up. We're going to redo the deck. We're debating about whether to enclose it. So that's the end of one of the driveways. We're planning on making a new driveway on the left-hand side. So as you fly past the trees, it goes to this flat lava area. This is the area that we're pretty much going to grate flat, right up to here. Now, the lot keeps going. So there's some pine trees on the left, and there's some really rough lava right there, and these huge ohia trees. We're going to make another video where we walk this area. These are some of the biggest ohia trees that we've seen up here. So this lot's in Ocean View. And we're coming up to the end of the property, which is right about here. So again, this is 200 feet. So this is a 2-acre lot. And we're going to take the drone up to 400 feet and fly back. So the lot on the left was owned by, or is owned by, the guy that sold us the lot on the right, the one we just bought. Pretty cool guy. We met him. He's a long-time Ocean View resident. So we're flying back, the drone back. And you can see where the lava flow came down, that rough lava. That area that's coming up right there, right beyond the trees, is the area we're going to grate. Those trees that are coming into view into the center portion of the video, those are Christmas berry trees. We're not sure how many we're going to keep. We're probably going to keep at least the one right next to the shack. We started trimming that down. So we're bringing the drone back down. The shack is structurally pretty stable. It was super dirty, so we pretty much worked on cleaning it up this weekend. We're going to do some work there. We bought a new solar system, which we're going to install. We're debating whether we're going to install it on the roof or build something else, because the pitch of the roof is wrong. South is to the left, where we have a view of South Point. So the drone's coming down there. You get a better view of those Christmas berry trees, which are an invasive species. And we had to rent that truck because that's the only way we could get the solar equipment there. We don't have a truck yet. And right, you can see it's pretty much loaded up with some of the rubbish. Drone's coming back down. That's the view of the lot. We'll keep you guys posted as to how everything goes. You know, we're really looking forward to this, planting some fruit trees and making a food forest. It's going to be a fun adventure. Yeah, that landing error was basically the autopilot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and aloha.